Your Galaxy Z Fold 8 deserves more than luck. One accidental scratch can instantly ruin the premium feel of Samsung's most advanced foldable. That's why today we're revealing the 9 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra screen protectors that keep your display safe without sacrificing clarity or touch. Check the links below to find your perfect match. At number 9 is WSKEN Auto Align. Installing a screen protector shouldn't feel more stressful than buying the phone itself. WSKEN Auto Align removes that frustration with dedicated alignment frames for both the inner and outer displays, making installation quick, clean, and almost effortless. The ultra-thin 0.16mm TPU film keeps the original display quality intact while preserving responsive touch controls and full S Pen compatibility. Built specifically for daily folding, the upgraded material resists lifting around the crease, while its self-healing layer gradually removes tiny scratches and bubbles within 24 hours. Compared with ordinary film protectors that often require repeated adjustments, this one feels much easier to apply. Just remember that careful installation still delivers the strongest long-term adhesion. For anyone who wants dependable everyday protection without changing the natural fold experience, WYQLTD is a reassuring place to start. Coming in at number 8 is the Milomdoi 9-in-1. Sometimes protecting only the screen simply isn't enough. Milomdoi 9-in-1 takes a more complete approach by including inner screen films, front-tempered glass protectors, and camera lens protectors in one package. The upgraded heat-resistant nanomaterial is designed to handle up to 200,000 folds while resisting lifting and warping during everyday use. Installation frames make setup far less intimidating, and the ultra-thin design preserves vivid colors, smooth touch response, and natural S Pen performance. Unlike basic kits that protect only one display, this bundle covers nearly every exposed surface of your fold. The only trade-off is that installing every included accessory takes a little more time. If you want complete protection from day one and fewer replacement purchases later, Milomdoi delivers outstanding long-term value. Coming in at number 7 is the WYQLTD 8-pack. A premium foldable deserves protection that lasts longer than just a few weeks. That's exactly the philosophy behind the WYQLTD 8-pack. Instead of giving you a single protector and hoping it survives daily life, this bundle prepares your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra for the long run. With 4 flexible inner TPU films, 2 durable 9H tempered glass protectors, and 2 camera lens protectors, nearly every vulnerable surface gets covered. The slow rebound TPU technology keeps the inner display smooth while adapting naturally to constant folding. And if tiny bubbles appear after installation, the self-healing material gradually clears them away within 24 hours. Compared with smaller kits that leave you buying replacements sooner, this package delivers much stronger long-term value. The only trade-off is that installing multiple protectors takes a little extra patience. For heavy smartphone users who want dependable protection without constantly shopping for replacements, WYQLTD is a practical investment. Sliding into number 6 is the BENKS GlassWarrior AR. Anyone who has tried reading a phone outdoors knows how quickly bright sunlight can turn a beautiful display into a mirror. BENKS GlassWarrior AR tackles that problem with an advanced anti-reflective coating that noticeably reduces glare while preserving rich colors and sharp detail. Premium aluminum lithium silicate 9H glass protects against scratches, accidental impacts, and everyday wear without making the cover display feel bulky. At only 0.25mm thick, scrolling remains incredibly smooth. Fingerprint unlocking stays fast, and every touch feels just as responsive as the original screen. The premium fingerprint-resistant coating also keeps smudges from building up during busy days. Compared with traditional tempered glass protectors that focus almost entirely on durability, BENKS adds a major advantage by improving outdoor visibility. The only compromise is its case-friendly sizing, which leaves a slim border around the display edges. If you spend a lot of time outside, travel frequently, or simply want a cleaner viewing experience in bright conditions, BENKS delivers a premium upgrade that you'll notice every single day. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5 is the Wiaocit 3-pack. Your phone holds conversations, passwords, banking apps, and personal memories, yet one glance from the wrong angle can expose more than you'd like. Wiaocit 3-pack is designed for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra users who value privacy just as much as protection. Its upgraded privacy-tempered glass keeps the display clear when viewed head-on, while limiting visibility from the sides, making it ideal for commuting, working in cafes, or traveling. Beyond privacy, the reinforced explosion-resistant glass defends against scratches, bumps, and everyday drops, while the oleophobic coating reduces fingerprints and smudges for a cleaner screen. The included alignment frame makes installation surprisingly simple, even for first-time users. Compared with standard clear tempered glass protectors, you give up a little side visibility in exchange for far greater privacy. If keeping your personal information away from wandering eyes matters as much as keeping your display scratch-free, Wiaocit is a very smart choice. Coming up next at number 4 is the Hoerrye 2-pack. Some screen protectors feel like they change the entire experience of using your phone. Hoerrye takes the opposite approach by protecting your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra while making it feel almost untouched. The included alignment frame helps beginners achieve a clean installation with far less effort, while the ultra-thin 0.16mm TPU film preserves vibrant colors, fast touch response, and full S Pen compatibility. Built with upgraded heat-resistant memory polymer technology, it is engineered for constant folding and gradually removes small scratches and bubbles within 24 hours, keeping the display looking cleaner over time. Unlike basic films that only focus on one screen, this package protects both the folding display and the cover screen for more complete daily coverage. If you enjoy a simple installation, dependable protection, and a natural screen feel that never gets in the way, Hoerrye delivers an experience that quietly earns your confidence every single day. Breaking into the top 3, at number 3 is the SSLOTSCASE 3-pack. Sometimes the biggest damage happens before you even start using your phone. A slightly crooked installation, trapped dust, or stubborn bubbles can ruin the entire experience. SSLOTSCASE is built to eliminate those frustrations while delivering serious everyday protection. Its reinforced 9H Plus tempered glass creates a durable barrier against scratches, keys, accidental drops, and daily wear, while the reusable auto-alignment tray helps you achieve a clean, almost bubble-free finish in seconds. The ultra-thin glass keeps colors vibrant, touch response fast, and facial recognition working naturally, while the upgraded oleophobic coating reduces fingerprints and oily smudges throughout the day. Compared with many standard tempered glass kits that only include the glass itself, this package adds multiple cleaning tools and replacement protectors for greater long-term value. The only compromise is that it protects the cover display rather than the folding screen, and if one of these protectors already feels like the perfect fit for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, you'll find every product linked in the description below. It makes choosing the right protection much easier without wasting time searching later. Coming in at number 2 is the TAURI 2-pack. Premium phones deserve premium protection, but nobody wants to spend half an hour fighting with a screen protector. TAURI solves that problem with its innovative one-step alignment tray that blocks dust during installation and helps create a perfectly aligned, bubble-free finish even for first-time users. The edge-to-edge design covers almost the entire front display, reducing exposed gaps where dust usually collects. Built from premium 9H tempered glass, it confidently handles scratches from keys, coins, and everyday accidents while adding reliable protection against unexpected drops. Despite its strength, the ultra-clear glass preserves the original brightness, rich colors, and silky smooth touch response that make the fold such a pleasure to use. Compared with many traditional tempered glass protectors that require careful manual positioning, TAURI makes installation noticeably quicker and far more forgiving. The only small trade-off is that its precise edge coverage performs best when paired with compatible cases. For users who want a premium installation experience backed by dependable everyday durability, TAURI comes remarkably close to taking the top spot. Taking the top spot is the Spigen EZ Fit Pro. Sometimes the difference between a good screen protector and a great one is something you notice every single day without even thinking about it. That is exactly the experience Spigen EZ Fit Pro delivers. Built for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners who expect premium quality from the moment they open the box, it combines durable 9H tempered glass with Spigen's trusted Easy Fit installation tray, making the entire setup process incredibly fast, accurate, and almost effortless. Instead of worrying about crooked alignment, trapped dust, or stubborn bubbles, you simply install it and get back to enjoying your phone. Once applied, the crystal-clear glass preserves the original brightness, color accuracy, and sharp detail of the cover display, while maintaining smooth touch response for scrolling, gaming, typing, and unlocking. Everyday threats like keys, loose coins, and unexpected bumps are handled with confidence, giving you peace of mind without changing the premium feel of the device. Compared with many generic tempered glass protectors that demand careful manual positioning, the Easy Fit system delivers a cleaner and far more consistent installation experience. The only small compromise is its case-friendly design, which intentionally leaves a slim border around the edges to work seamlessly with compatible cases. For professionals, travelers, everyday users, or anyone investing in Samsung's premium foldable, Spigen EZ Fit Pro offers the complete package of convenience, durability, and reliability. It doesn't just protect your screen, It protects the experience that made you choose the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in the first place. After comparing every screen protector on this list, one product consistently delivers the most complete experience, and that's Spigen EZ Fit Pro. It isn't just about durable 9H tempered glass or crystal clear display quality. It's about how effortlessly everything comes together. The EZ Fit installation tray removes the stress of lining up the protector, dramatically reducing bubbles and misalignment while saving valuable time. Once installed, the glass feels almost invisible, preserving the original brightness, smooth touch response, and premium feel that make the Galaxy Z Fold 8 so enjoyable to use. Its case-friendly design works seamlessly with compatible cases, and Spigen's reputation for consistent quality adds an extra layer of confidence. While several protectors on this list shine in specific areas like privacy, anti-glare performance, or complete accessory bundles, Spigen delivers the strongest balance of installation, durability, everyday usability, and long-term reliability. If you're buying just one protector and want the safest all-around choice, this is the one worth putting on your Fold first. And that wraps up our countdown of the 9 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra screen protectors. Whether you're looking for maximum durability, effortless installation, enhanced privacy, or premium display clarity, there's an option here for every type of user. If one of these protectors caught your attention, you'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech rankings and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.